Hi, this is Cyrus from SY Limited. Welcome to ISE 2020. We've got a whole host of new products to show you. Amongst the many, one of my favorites is the new Slim 70 Pro. This product is a next generation of the Slim 70 Edge, which still is the slimmest in the world. The Slim 70 Pro has got many added functions, such as, for example, EDID management, such as HDCP control, HPD control. It also has got a de-embedded audio output. But most of all, the features that set it completely apart is the fact that it can do cable length measurement. It can also do, it has got built-in test pattern generator, a few different ones at different hertz and resolutions. But as well as all that, it can have features like video keep alive, which is most interesting for projectors, etc. The system also has got a 4K downscaler built in, together with, as usual, the IPOC, which is our intelligent power over cable. Hopefully, we'll be presenting many more products to you at this show. Thank you.